Hello, boys and girls. How are you? I hope that you guys are having a great time learning from home. And I know some of you, your perspective might be a little bit different. You might not be enjoying it at all. But listen, this too shall pass, and we will soon be back to normal. Now, we are in week 3, and if you watch week 1 video, I simply introduced to you Tinkercad. I just wanted you to guys have fun. If this is the first time you're watching this video, go back to lesson 1 so that you can simply have some fun. Lesson 2, you actually started to create your mini golf course using Tinkercad. So if you haven't watched that yet, go to lesson 1 first. If you finish that, go to lesson 2. And then in lesson 2, start your mini golf course. And then this lesson, lesson 3, I'm simply going to go quick overview about all the tools and what we are expecting for you to create using Tinkercad. All right, so let's get started. All right, boys and girls, so this is my platform. Remember, on the Google Classroom notes, you should see how you can sign in. You should have your nickname there so you can sign in. If you are not able to sign in, if you have not been able to sign in, please let us know, but all the instructions should be there. And then remember that it gives you a funny name to save it. So for example, mine here is called Glorious Touring. So I just click on it and I'm gonna call it Peralta Mini Golf. Go back to where we were back in the classroom. We had an idea, we thought about it, we completed it, we sketched it out. We actually use a grid paper to draw it out. And then we actually use a big blueprint to make it even bigger. You're doing the same thing, but now you're actually using 3D shapes. So I'm gonna start off with a box. I'll just click and drag it. Now remember, you are working with a 3D plane, so you're gonna be having length, width, but also height. So here I'm looking at it flat, or you see a bird's eye view. Then I can move it around and I can see that it is right there. See how tall it is? So I'm gonna actually shrink it to 1. 1 is pretty good. And then I'm going to stretch this out. I'm gonna change the color to green. And then if I like this, I can actually copy it and paste it. So now I have 2 of the same, and then I can manipulate that. And maybe my golf course is something like this. Just a couple of obstacles. Make sure you put your sphere. Here's my sphere. Put it right there. Change it to the color white. Okay, and then just simply add your obstacles. So for example, maybe I can have, you know, this, and again, it's green, and our whole theme is forest. So maybe we have a, since it's all about nature, maybe we have a wooden cabin over here. So I'm gonna lift the roof up. There we go. I'm gonna lift the roof. There it is, much better. And then there you go. This is the tricky part that you have to kind of work in this 3D plane. And so, you know, if you wanted to add maybe a door, because, you know, the ball could actually travel through there. So this is a cool little trick. So you see this little rooftop here? You can actually put it right in there like this. Now watch this, you guys. I can actually change that. Okay, I'm back in custom. I'll go to preset. I can just make it black. I know that there is an opening there, you know, and there's an opening to the back. Or we can actually make it maybe green, just to show that you can go. But I like it black. That way I know that that is an actual area that the ball can actually travel through. Okay, so that's an idea there. There's a heel, so, you know, darker green, something like that. See, there's a little heel there. So the ball doesn't have to go through the house, but that's an option. And then maybe there's one more obstacle. Let's do one more obstacle, maybe here. Maybe one more obstacle here. And it's just a simple. Now I actually want to rotate this There you go. And then let's change it to that green, or let's go. Maybe this is a log. There it is. Maybe this is some sort of a tree log there. And then one final thing, you can just kind of bring in the text. Here, I just brought right here from the text, and then I click on this little toggle, and then I put, my name. It's too big, so I can also manipulate the size and the color as well. So maybe something like that. And there we go. Okay, I can't wait to continue seeing your creations, and I hope that this is something that you can grow with your knowledge, and maybe this can be a start of a new career. So for this week, just simply go back, edit what you have, or start something new, and just have some fun with it. All right, we'll see you. Take care. You be careful. Okay, bye-bye.